Hi, I'm Rory McNish. This is a Cornell Marine Minute Monday. Here at CCE Marine, tortilla takes on a whole nother meaning. The same size and shape as an actual tortilla, these burlap planting discs are an integral part of our Marine Meadows program. These discs were designed by Cornell Marine eelgrass restoration staff and are made from biodegradable natural burlap that allow participants to help expand our efforts of restoring eelgrass and preserving this important marine habitat. The tortilla has holes so the participant can weave the eelgrass through the burlap to hold them in place. The tortilla is saved in a cooler with seawater and transported to the restoration location so CCE divers can then plant the eelgrass in its new home. This has been a Cornell Marine Minute sponsored by Cornell Marine Program of Suffolk County.